Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Facebook in 8-Ball Pool. So let's begin. First of all, open your 8-Ball Pool application. Now as you enter, you can see this interface right here. Now in the middle, you can see login with Facebook option. Tap on login with Facebook option. So in order to log in, you must have your Facebook account already logged in your Facebook application. So this will directly connect with your profile. Now as you can see, I have already logged in. Now here on the top, tap on this profile icon. So as you can see, your profile is being displayed here. So this is my Facebook profile that is being displayed. If you have not played 8-Ball Pool, it will allow you to set up everything and then only you can play. But I have already played it, so it directly appears here. So this is how you log in with Facebook in 8-Ball Pool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.